So I'm in the house. So I'm trying to get out of the light. Sorry. Okay. So I'm in the house. Been working all day. Went out to the garden for a sec. Fed the chickens. Had to go to Tractor Supply, get the chickens some food. And now I'm putting together the garden beds that I picked up at Home Depot. I swear they were so easy. 30 minutes. I wish all garden beds were like this. Let me show you. Watching Epic Gardener right there. There's a garden bed. It was so easy. Even this was really good. So, this is called, what is this called? This garden bed, sorry. Get the paper here. It's a AOODOR garden bed. It was really easy to put together. It took about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. That is a nice size garden bed. For me, I just have to figure out where I'm going to put it in the garden and set it outside. I have one more I have to put together. I'm going to do it tonight. And then all I have to do, it's going on 8 o'clock. I should be in the bed by 9:30. That was really easy. Got it at Home Depot. Each one, I'm sorry, I was eating on the Twizzler, so a little liquor stuck in the back of my throat. About $38. They were under $40. Altogether, with tax, $80, $81 for 2 garden beds. So, yeah, I think this is a good deal. All right, just wanted to give you that quick tidbit. I'll be having 2 garden beds put together tonight. Okay, I'm finished. Look at that. It is 8:16. I think when I started filming, it was like 7:43. It was that simple. At first, I thought I was doing something wrong, but no. It says, put the nut in the bolts this way. Keep going around. Put the trim on it. You done. It was that easy. I've watched Broke Farmer, my boy Broke Farmer. I watched Epic Farmer, and now I'm watching Echo. What is his name? Echo Farmer? Echo Neighbor. Echo Neighbor. I want to get it right. Echo Neighbor. So, yeah, I'm done. I'll be taking these garden beds out tomorrow. Don't think they'll be filled tomorrow, but I'm also see the boxes here and the boxes there. I'll be cutting up the boxes and laying the boxes under the garden beds. I got another box outside in the patio. I have my box cutter. I'm going to slice them up, put some weed barrier, put cardboard boxes, and then eventually I'll put soil. And I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to be planting my poppies. Oh, here's another thing. Let me show you my my mini mail call. Just a moment. Okay, I have a phone against a vase with some dry stuff. So, okay, so I got some fennel. I got a giant Aconcagua pepper. I got Brandywine tomato seeds, and this is the free gift. Looks like that's the free gift because I don't remember ordering the Brandywine, but hey, this is called an orange Concordian tomato. You guys know I love the beefsteak tomatoes. The mushroom basket. I saw this at the Heirloom Expo. Fell in love with it. Mushroom basket. Chamomile, I think it's Loda Land. It's not the German, but these are bigger. Annually, easily self-sows. A Polish variety, has a wonderful aroma and is used to make teas, studied for its health benefits. Keep moist until sprouts appear. Seeds require light to germinate. Do not allow them to dry out. Set out transplants after last frost. So I will be planting a lot more chamomile and Sweetheart cherry tomatoes. I'm going to try cherry tomatoes. Okay. So I think I've showed you guys these. The poppy, I have got some more of the rattle poppies. And then the cabbage, the little gem, and of course the big cabbage right here. So I think I want to plant flowers in these, but I'm not sure yet. So I got to sit them outside and see what I'm going to do. Definitely my chamomile, and we shall see. But yeah, those took no time. They didn't take any time to make those garden beds, and I'm very happy they didn't take any time. Also, I got more of my soft neck garlic. Soft neck garlic. This one is called the Transylvania, and this is the California White. California White, Transylvania, California White, Transylvania. So I got 3 of each. This is another garlic I got. It's a Walla Walla. And a lot of elephant ear. A lot of elephant ear garlic that, or elephant garlic. I call it elephant ear garlic that I got. So I'll be planting a lot of garlic. What hasn't been delivered is my onions, but I think I got some more onions in the shed. And I plan on putting onion and garlic in all of the garden beds this year. I know Broke Farmer was saying he didn't see any reduction in pests. What I see is a reduction in like rodents and squirrels. In fact, I had one of the rodents or squirrels bite into my onion because, you know, they have the long stalks. After that, they didn't bite into anymore. They don't like the way they smell. They don't like the way they taste. So I will be putting those in all the garlic beds. I also have a lot of tunnels and covers I'm going to be using this year. I just took 2 big old tunnels outside, and I ordered some more tunnels that I got on sale because the squirrels and rodents are out there, but that's not going to stop me from planting my food. I'm going to be staking a lot of things. I know somebody had a real problem where something came and ate all their tomatoes. I was listening to the live with Miss Linda, and I just felt so bad for that person. And I know how they feel because when I first started getting tomatoes, I found 2 bites in 2 of them. So I took my netting, but I also put little mesh bags. But this person said, I can't remember who it was, that they got through the mesh bags. So yeah, that is it. My garden beds are ready to go. They're gonna sit there all night, and it's barely 8:22. I'm about to put on my PJs and I'm done because I got to get up early in the morning. I'm gonna try to be out there by 6:30 because it's gonna be over 100 degrees. I want to get stuff done and be done by 10 a.m. tomorrow. Anything past 10 a.m. It's probably already going to be like 80, 90 something degrees by 10 a.m. I think yesterday morning, or it wasn't today. I don't think I left the house until, yeah, I didn't leave the house today until I got off of work. But yesterday I had to do some running around. I went to the gym. Had to take my mom to the doctor. That's what it was. I had to take my mom to the doctor. It was 70 degrees. My mother had a 7:45 a.m. doctor's appointment. I went to the gym at 6, came home. I actually just stayed in my gym clothes. She was ready to go. Took her to the doctor. 70 degrees at 7:45 in the morning. Came home, showered, got online at lunch. Me and my mom went to Staples. We had to get like envelopes, a couple of notepads, you know, simple stuff like that. It was already 100 degrees. That was at 12:30 yesterday. came home, finished out my work day. I went to go pick up her medication. Went to Home Depot. First, I went out in the yard with the chickens. Then I went to go pick up her medication. No, I did all that first. Then I got home about 6:30. Went out with the chickens. It was like 90-something degrees. And it's going to be 100 tomorrow. Went out today. It was 97. It's going to pick back up. So this is why I start my seedlings in October, but don't plant them to the end of October, beginning of November, because it's just too hot. And I'm cleaning out the garden beds. The lettuce, I'll probably be getting the lettuce in my garden bed sooner and putting the tunnels on them, because something jumped up there and started eating the lettuce that I have out there. So I got to cut all that, and I got to fix that. But yeah, I'm getting ready for fall. That's the end of this video. As I always say, please find peace within yourself, and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a fantastic Friday evening. Bye, everyone.